For the first time, I'm going to show you how I use this tool. Hello my dear traders and welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we are going to trade on the Cardano coin asset using strategy based on technical analysis. This means that when I'm going to choose entry points, I'm going to rely on support and resistance levels, uptrends, downtrends, and other pattern and situation on the market. So my plan for today is from $10 to make 10,000. Guys, do you think am I crazy? Well, we will get to know only at the end of the video was I able to make it or not, so I really advise you to watch this video till the end. And my dear traders, let's not waste time and finally start it. As you can see, we have a good confident downtrend in the market right now. Therefore, in such situation, I suggest to open a deal for 3 minutes to go down, because we also see that the main price highs on the chart are decreasing, and at the same time the price moves mainly with red candles to the bottom. Also, as you can see earlier, after a very strong upward pullback, the price still made a reversal and continued to decline. All these points indicate that the price has a good downward potential, and it is more likely that the price will continue to move down in the near future. We also took 3 minutes to spare here, taking into account that the price may pull back up as it did earlier, and only then it will continue its decline. So my dear traders, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, my dear traders, it's not bad at all. As you can see, the price is showing a decrease and our deal closed below the entry point. This is how we got the profit on our first deal. I think it's an amazing result. Let's continue, my dear traders. So as you can see, after the decline, the price went sideways. And the moment the price is approaching the support level, that's why we will open a deal to go down. Because we also see that the downtrend is still in place. And we also have a lower support level. And we have a certain tightening of this level. Therefore, I think that the price is more likely to continue its decline in the near future and they will approach the marked level. And let's see how this deal will close, guys. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, our price has shown a good decrease and it touched the support level. Despite the subsequent upward bounce from this level, our deal closed below the entry point, and here we were able to earn money. Guys, let's continue. So as you can see, we have an uptrend here, and in such a situation we immediately open a deal for 2 minutes to buy, as we see that the main price lows on the chart are getting higher. And also now I have entered into a deal on a downward price rollback. Thus there's still long distance from above for the price to rise. All these points indicate that the price has a good potential to go up, and the price is more likely to resume its movement along the general uptrend. And let's just watch the chart and wait for the end of our deal, guys.
40% of you guys watch my videos without subscribing. Let's fix that.
Well, my dear traders, that's great. As you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and it's showing a good growth. Thus, this transaction brought us a steady profit. Well, I suggest we continue and find another entry point. So, as you can see here, after a strong decline, the price made a reversal and began to move up. In such situation, we will open a deal to buy, because we can see that there is a still long distance to the maximum point on the chart. At the same time, we see that earlier the price moved down mainly with red candles. But then after a slight fade, we got a lot of green candles on the chart. That is, we see that there has been a price reversal and now the uptrend is relevant for us. And I think that the price will continue to move up in the near future. And so, my dear traders, let's wait for the result. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket Option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens unfortunately. So my dear traders, that's great, and as you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario, and it showed a good growth, of course. This is how we got steady profit here, and we already have $111 on deposit, guys. We already increased our amount more than 10 times. This is a great result, and as you can see, my trading strategy works well because it brought us such profit. So I think that we should continue and find other situations on the market. So as you can see, the price is making a fairly strong downward pullback. In such situation, we will reopen the deal for 3 minutes to buy. I think that the price will continue to move up. As we can see, the price has been moving up more impulsively lately. Also, there is still enough space left to reach the maximum point on the chart. That is, all these points indicate that the price has a good potential for growth. And I think that 3 minutes in this situation, taking into account the possible pullback of the price down, will be enough. And let's see how our deal will close. Well, my dear traders, that's great. As you can see, our price continued to move up and it showed a good growth. This is how we got profit here. And also, 3 minutes in this situation was just perfect for us. So my dear traders, I think that we continue and we'll find another situation on the market. So as you can see, the price is pulling back down again, and here I suggest opening a deal to buy again, as I think that the price will make a reversal and continue to move up. Okay, as we see that the uptrend in the market continues and the main price lows are still getting higher. Also earlier, as you can see, after the pullback, the price continued its growth, and also now we see some fading on the chart after the decline, and green candlesticks are already forming. All this suggests that the price has a good potential for growth. Let's just watch the chart and see what happens here in the next few minutes. Great, my dear traders, as you can see, the price continued to move up according to our scenario. It showed a good growth, so here we were able to earn money again. Also, 3 minutes in this case was just perfect for us, and let's continue, my dear traders. So as you can see, after the decline, our price made an upward impulse, and in such situation we'll open a deal for a minute to buy, because I think that the price will still show growth, because we also see that the main price lows on the chart are rising and the price is moving in waves. That is, after growth, it usually shows a strong decrease. Also now, as you can see, after the decline, the price resumed its growth again. That's why we've opened a deal to buy here, and since the price has already made an upward momentum, here we took the time of 1 minute, because after an increase, the price may show a decrease. So that our position here doesn't get knocked out, we will open a deal in such short time. So guys, let's wait for the result. Well, that's great, guys. So as you can see, our price showing good growth, and here we made profit. That is, as you can see, 1 minute was just perfect for such situation. And so, my dear traders, let's continue. So as you can see further, after very strong growth, red candlesticks began to form on the chart. And here's just to open a deal to sell, because I think that the price will move down in the near future. We can see that the price has already shown quite strong downward pullbacks before. At the same time, as you can see, the price has a resistance level here from which just last time the price made a reversal and showed a decrease. Also, now we have seen the reaction in this area. That is all these points indicated the price has a good downward potential. Here we will try to make money on such a downward pullback, and so my dear traders, let's wait for the result. Well, my dear traders, that's great. As you can see, the price moving according my scenario, and it showed a good decline. This is how we got profit here, and also 1 minute was just perfect in such situation. So my dear traders, let's continue. So as you can see further from the support level, the price made a strong upward momentum, and at the same time it is showing growth again at the moment. Therefore, we will open a deal here to buy for 2 minutes. As you can see, the support level supports the price quite well, and early the price showed an impulsive increase from this level. The new price minimum was also higher than the previous one, and we have several green candlesticks in a row on the chart. That is, we understand that the price still has potential for growth, and the price is more likely to move up in the near future. Let's just watch the chart and see how it will close. Well, my dear traders, that's amazing. As you can see, our price has fallen to the consolidation zone, but in the last seconds of the deal, it made an upward momentum, and that's how our deal closed higher than the opening point. Guys, we got the profit here, and let's continue. So as you can see, here we have a support level at the bottom, and we can see that at the moment the price is approaching this level after rising. Therefore, we'll open a deal for 2 minutes to sell because there's still enough space left before this level. And we can see that the price has already quite clearly touched this level several times. Just as you can see, the price has a resistance zone here, and the price early made a reversal and showed the decrease. And this time also we saw reaction in this area. That is, as you can see, all these points indicated the price has a good downward potential. I think that in the near future the price will move down and try to touch this level again. And I hope that 2 minutes in this situation will be also quite enough for us, guys. So let's wait for the result. That's great, my dear traders. As you can see, the price is showing a decline and it's approaching the support level. And this is where we got the profit, guys. Thus, we already have more than $4,000 on my deposit. We are confidently approaching our trading goal. So as you can see below, our price has bounced up from the support level and is currently approaching this level again. Here I suggest opening a deal for 3 minutes to sell because I think the price will move up. At the same time, the main price highs have been decreasing recently, and as you can see earlier, after bouncing up from the support level, the price made a reversal and continued to move down. That is, we have some kind of compression of this level, and the price is more likely to continue its decline and break through this level. Here we will try to make money on such decrease, and let's wait for the result, guys. Excellent, guys. As you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario, and it's moving beyond the support level. It's showing a strong decrease, thus we got a steady profit here, guys. And I think that one more deal for today and we will be able to achieve our goal. So as you can see here, after a strong increase, the price eventually made the reversal, and at the moment it is moving in a confident downtrend. And in such situation, I suggest opening a deal for 3 minutes to sell. Since the main price highs on the chart are also decreasing, and at the same time the price moves downwards more impulsively and mainly with red candlesticks. All these points indicate that the price has a good potential for decline, and it is more likely that the price will continue to move down in the general downtrend. And let's wait for the result, guys. Well, my dear traders, that's great. As you can see, our price made an upward pullback, but then it continued its decline, and now we closed below the entry point, and I was able to earn money here. Thus, we already have almost $11,000 on my deposit, guys. I think it's amazing because I was able to achieve my trading goal for today. That's it, my dear traders. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was very useful for you. Let me know down below in the comment section if you have ever traded with Cardano coin asset, and if yes, did you face any problems or maybe it was difficult for you? If not, have you ever heard about this tool or not? Let me know down below. Also, my dear traders, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more strategies which you can use in your trading. And also, if you enjoyed this video and it was useful for you, don't forget to put a big thumbs up. So, my dear traders, I also have exclusive community where I share my trading signals. These are my trading signals and they're totally for free. How you can get them? Super easy. Just text me a code word signal. All the information is going to be down below. I wish you to have successful trading sessions, more profits, and I will see you guys in the next video with the new strategy. Bye bye.